Let us pledge to build a better St. Lucia together in 2025.
Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre delivered his New Year's address to the nation on Sunday, January 12th, striking a resolute tone. The political leader urged citizens to reflect on the challenges and opportunities of the past year while committing to collective actions that can drive the nation toward greater prosperity.
As we start this new year, it is an appropriate time to reflect on our lives, to recognize our shortcomings, and to celebrate our gains. It is also the time to resolve to do better and commit to changes in our thoughts and actions so that our individual lives may contribute to the advancement of our country and humanity.
Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre called for an end to divisive bickering, the stoking of instability, and political animosity. He urged all citizens, regardless of political affiliation, to prioritize the national interest over partisan differences.
In the exercise of our individual rights to freely associate with others, politically and otherwise, we must never lose our humanity and fairness in the way we deal with others who may be different. Let us always remember we are one St. Lucian people with a common destiny and a shared purpose to make our country a better place for ourselves, future generations, and visitors who come to our shores to enjoy the beauty of our island and its people.
St. Lucia designated 2024 to 2025 as the Year of Infrastructure. Pierre notes that efforts will intensify in 2025, with major projects aimed at modernizing critical sectors like healthcare, affordable housing, and transportation networks.
Several new roads were built around the island in 2024, noteworthy being the $10 million Majomel Road in Lamb. Work will continue this year on the Chaussee Road and roads in Vieux-Fort South and Vieux-Fort North, among others. We expect the Millennium Highway and East Coast Road to be completed in 2025. In 2025, a new potholing patcher truck will be commissioned to improve the road surface in the island.
Prime Minister Pierre urged all citizens to join in building a stronger future, one that prioritizes improved public services, robust infrastructure, and sustainable economic growth for all. Solasha Alfred, HTS News Force.